Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel again, Buhay Kusina. Today, magluto naman tayo ng fried noodles with shrimp and ham. At ito ang aking mga ingredients, guys. That is ham, French beans, carrot, shrimp, ginger, onions, and garlic. Lahat ng yan, guys, is kakatla natin ng strip except the shrimp and then the garlic. And now, ready na yung wok ko. And then, I think it's already smoking. Yeah. And then now it's time to fry the ginger and then the garlic. Oh no, and then my ginger is already getting burned. So I think I smell the aroma of the garlic and the ginger. And then I need to add the shrimp. Then, stir fry natin yung shrimp with the garlic and the ginger. And then, after a while, add natin yung strip ham natin. And then stir fry again together with the shrimp, ginger, and garlic. And then after this one, guys, I need to add the onions. And then stir fry din natin ng a little bit. Pang madalian lamang. And then after this one, guys, add natin yung mga other vegetable like French beans, carrot. Yeah. And then paghaluin lang natin. Stir fry pa rin natin. And then kasi naka-ready na yung noodles ko. And then the noodles is already cooked because I boiled with water. And then timplahin natin, guys, ng sugar and then ng salt. Ayan, sugar and salt. And then after that, ilagay natin yung shrimp broth. Yan, guys, optional lang. Kung wala kayong shrimp broth, pwede din yung water. Kasi yung ulo ng shrimp, binuwel ko siya. And then, strain ko yung water niya. Yung broth niya. And then, ginawa kong sabaw dyan. And then, after that, i-add natin yung noodles. Ayan. Kasi ang flavor ng noodles ko pala is shrimp. Ayan. Actually, yung noodles is already cooked. So, ihalo na natin siya sa vegetable. And then, after that, tikman natin. And then, si-serve na natin. So, by the way guys, it's already done. I-serve na natin. Bago ako mag-end, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, Buhay Kusina. Please click the notification and bell for more updates. Bye-bye. And thanks for watching.